I use a lot of tech tools, free and paid, to power my freelance copywriting business, but today I want to share with you the tools that I use to do the actual writing. You're going to walk away from this video knowing the tools to write amazing content for your freelance writing clients. So I'm Christine. I'm a former 9-to-5 salesperson turned copywriter. Now I use the sales skills that I acquired over all those years to help introverted writers build the freelance business of their dreams. So if you like that information, you want to become a better copywriter, you want to learn how to land clients, make sure you are subscribed. In part 3 of this blogging series, I'm going to talk about the tools I use to improve my writing. So my absolute non-negotiable tool is obviously Google Docs. If you missed part 2, you can find that in the link below where I tell you all about my favorite Google Doc tricks for writing content for my clients. But Google Docs is a free and amazing way to write. It stores all of your files in the cloud. It allows for collaboration with your clients. To be honest, if I have clients that ask me to use Microsoft Word, I find it to be a major red flag. I just think that everybody is using Google Docs to write and collaborate these days. And the best part is it's free. Now, the next free plugin that I use is something called Keywords Everywhere. It's a plugin that will stay at the side of your screen and it'll allow you to see what other people are searching for. It'll give you similar keywords and similar search terms. If you are doing SEO research for your clients, it'll be really valuable. However, it's also just good to understand what people are searching for, in other words, search intent, while you're writing content for your clients. I use the free version. The third free site that I use is LinkedIn. Obviously, I use LinkedIn to get all of my freelance clients, but I actually use it to write for them as well. A writing strategy and tactic that I use is called eavesdropping, where if I'm writing a piece, let's just say on marketing automation, I want to see what the predominant conversation about marketing automation is right now, so I can make the piece feel really relevant, really timely, and really authentic. The best way to do that is to go on LinkedIn, enter in that search term, and see what people are posting about. You can use those posts and the conversations that are going on in the comments to create talking points for your client. Comment down below and tell me some of your favorite tools that help you write faster. I am always looking for ways to make my processes more efficient so I can get my client work done faster and more accurately. The next thing that makes my writing go really quickly is the title capitalization tool. Unless you are a grammar pro, it can be hard to understand which parts of a title need to be capitalized versus which words do not. And I can just copy and paste my title and my headings into this tool. It automatically capitalizes it for you, and then you copy it back into your Google Doc. It just makes life a lot easier and makes sure that you are always grammatically correct. The fifth tool I use is called Grammarly. You have to be living under a rock if you haven't heard of it by now. It's a free grammar software that sits on the side of your screen and automatically corrects your work. I check all of my work at the end and make sure I'm editing using that tool. I upgraded to the premium version. I can't say whether or not I recommend upgrading to the premium version. I don't understand the difference between the free and the paid version, so just take that with a grain of salt. The sixth tool I use is called WordTune. This is an AI editing software that actually rephrases my words, makes it more succinct, and makes my word choice more smooth. It gives me other ideas about how I can phrase things, which is really helpful because as we're writing content online, we want to write in a conversational tone, and we also want our sentences to be as succinct as possible. Definitely check out WordTune. You can use it for free. I recently just upgraded to premium because I didn't want to be capped at their limit. My last and final tool is Dscript. Now you can use the free version of this. Again, I just upgraded. I use a lot of these softwares for 6 months to a year before I find I need to upgrade them. So it's cool to just get started and see if you actually use it. But a lot of my client work is actually transcribing audio content into blog posts or into other types of written content. This is a free transcription tool that will actually just listen to whatever words, or you could upload an audio file and it'll automatically transcribe it so that the writing portion is pretty much done and you're just editing at that point. I was using Otter AI before that, but they recently underwent some changes to their free version, so I'm not quite sure what the deal with that is. I know it's a great program. However, Dscript allows me to record my screen and have so many other video editing features that I'm using to create this video right now at this moment. So definitely check out Dscript if you are working with audio content and if you're repurposing content for your clients. It's a game changer. I hope these tools were helpful. In part 4 of this series, I'm going to get more into the nuts and bolts of the actual writing process. Make sure you subscribe so you're the first one to know about the next video in this series, and I look forward to hearing from you.